Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust bullets and numbering in a Google Vids project. All right, so let's say you've got a Google Vids project open, you've got a scene, and there's a list of text elements there. Maybe it's a numbered list, maybe it's just a bulleted list, it doesn't really matter. A couple of different ways you can format these. If you click on the text box that has the list in it, notice that the list is nowhere near the top of this, but it's inside a text element. I can go to Format, and if I hover over Bullets and Numbering, if it's a numbered list, I can determine what those markers will look like, uh, depending on the indentation level of items in that list. If it's a bulleted list, I can determine what those markers will look like, depending on the indentation level within that list. However, you'll notice that the third option is grayed out. Right? And the reason it's grayed out is because in order to use that third option, you actually have to highlight the text in the list. I'm going to go to Format, Bullets, and Numbering, and now that is available to me. I can change the marker at that level. I can restart the numbering depending on certain criteria, edit the prefix and suffix. I can look for more bullet points. But if I want to, I can change the bullet marker here and just click on that and notice that it was updated to the one that I selected. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.